Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we have two different markers, the whiteboard marker and the permanent marker. So let's see an amazing trick using these two marker pens. And here we have the whiteboard, okay? Let's start. Firstly, let's write something using the whiteboard pen. So here we have written hello using the whiteboard pen, and now let's use the permanent marker pen to write the same letter. Now if you guys see that these two hellos are basically, first one is written by whiteboard marker and this one is written by permanent marker. Now let's try to erase them using this rough cloth. So you see, the permanent marker pen hello does not erase at all. Now the main purpose of this video is to erase this permanent marker using the whiteboard marker. So let's see if it works. Just trace the whole alphabet using the whiteboard marker. Make sure that it's traced completely, okay? Like this, okay? So here we have traced the hello marker using the whiteboard marker, and now let's take the rough cloth again and erase it like this. Isn't that cool? So guys, this is it for the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.